Listen, I know what you're doing, but like I told you time and time again, I have to keep studying now. What am I talking about? What do you think you're doing? You've been distracting me for the past about an hour or so. And that's fine, but, I do have a big exam that I have to study for tomorrow. And any other day, I would succumb to such distractions because they're very nice and soothing, but, the exam. And so, maybe I have to sit down and really focus. All the material, I'm a little behind as well, so if you want to help me out, could you do me a favor? Could you make me a coffee and maybe a sandwich as well? Now, as you have probably guessed, I know you know that I love you and your twins, but I can't really right now because although those are my favorite in the world, right now I would consider them distractions, and I don't mean them in the bad way. I think it's a compliment even. Well, I mean, you don't have any exams, so obviously you're gonna have more free time than me, right? How about this? Let me propose a plan to you. Alright, I'm gonna study for 2 hours straight, and then afterwards we can take a little break, do whatever you want, and then I'll continue studying. Oh, come on. Are you really going to be trying this out? Okay. You may massage me since I admit I do get tense from studying all the time, so you can massage my neck, my scalp, my shoulders, using anything like on your arm, let's say fingers, knuckles, nails, maybe even an elbow, but nothing like trying to use your chest or your lips to massage me, okay? None of that nonsense. We're not having happy endings today, alright? And anything below my waist is off limits. You can, no touchy. We can't go starting an engine when the car won't go anywhere, okay? Okay, well, I'm glad that you understand. Alright, now, let me open up my PDFs that I gotta read. Oh, wow, that does feel very nice. Of course it's your massaging, silly, it's not the PDF. But I can't talk, I need to focus on the material, I can't focus on how good you're massaging me. Like I said, we're not going there right now, right? You said you understood. Okay, see, your hand is trying to creep its way down again. And this is exactly what I was talking about. No, just stay up here, alright? I know you're trying to go below the waist to where all the riches are, but I anticipated this. Are you kissing me on the neck? You see, I knew this was gonna happen. Are you sure that's part of a massage, baby? Listen, I know what you're doing, and it's not going to work. Even though that was a good kiss. I'm not supposed to be distracted. I have to be celibate for now. I have to look at my books and have peace, okay? Why don't you go off and do yoga and mind your own business for a while, okay? Yeah, I won't even look. Yeah, sure. What is that pose called again? Downward dog. Okay. Well, that looks really good from where I'm standing. But, do you have to be facing away from me like that? Well, the thing is, you're making a lot of noise for yoga. I believe it was silent yoga, right? But yeah, that's the reason why I'm looking over. Baby, I don't think this is working out. How about this? Let's compromise, okay? Let's take a few minutes now to do anything you want. Anything. And at the end of this, you should be very sleepy, and I would have taken care of you so that you won't distract me anymore. How does that sound? Okay, great. Come on over here. I know I'm a very big guy. You know what they say about people with deep voices and big feet and big hands, right? If it's big in many places, chances are we're even bigger where it matters the most. Oh yeah. This is actually a really good view. I love this view where I can see all of you. I can see your expressions at every moment. And you're just so genuine. You don't have to fake anything, and I can tell when you're at the happiest moments of this little activity. Baby, don't worry about that. You're perfect. So perfect, just the way you are. And the way you smile. And the way you make me feel. Just makes me want to catch a grenade for you. If I had to. Obviously, I'm not going to do it, just for fun. I do love you that much. Well, yes, baby. You make me feel so good. I want you to keep doing that. Here, put your hands on my chest. Let's keep going deeper and deeper. Yes, I really like that. Oh, baby, you know what would feel so good right now? If you like and subscribe to the video. Or actually, like the video and subscribe to me. Yeah, that makes more sense. Why? Because I enjoy making this content. And when people like you like and subscribe, I know that's good content, so I can continue creating more versions of it in the future. Yeah, it's just good feedback. Otherwise, to tell you the truth, if no one likes and comments, then I'm pretty much talking in a basement, into a microphone, looking at my screen, and, yeah, that's not a good time. I like to know that other people also get to appreciate, right? So, once again, like and subscribe. Thank you.